This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kathy Day. Welcome home. Charming 3/2/2 with screened patio. Freshly painted inside and outside. New landscaping. Beautiful open floor plan with tile flooring throughout. Home was updated in 2014 and new hot water heater in 2020. Formal living room and dining area make an impressive entry to the home. Spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances, tiled backsplash, pantry, snack counter and family room area overlook the private backyard. Master bedroom suite with a large walk-in closet. Conveniently located near the CROSSTOWN Parkway for easy access to the Treasure Coast beaches, shopping, restaurants and hospitals. Wow! For more information, review the details below.